Hi, my name is Flossy, my pronouns are they, them, and I'm the creator of the Queer Tarot Project. When I started to learn tarot, I didn't know how many queer tarot decks existed. It became my inspiration to create a tarot deck that embraced queerness, diversity, and telling people's story through tarot. I'm now heading into the third year of this project, and it has followed me as I have traveled from New Zealand to Australia and now here in Canada. In fact, I've created tarot cards now in 5 different countries, and I hope to do many more countries in the future. This project goes beyond 78 tarot cards. It is a journey into storytelling, for me, into my ancestral heritage of the Irish Seanchaí, the storytellers. Each of the cards, I'm not stopping at 78, feature a queer person telling their story through the archetype of tarot in the card that they have chosen. In the final product, instead of an interpretation book, you'll be able to scan the card and view the video interview of the person in that card. I think this is an amazing way of connecting with that person's story, hearing the tone, their energy, and even a little bit about where they're from. When you support the Queer Tarot Project on Patreon, you're funding travel for those who want to be photographed. You're funding scholarships to local witch camps. You're supporting the running costs of the Queer Tarot Project so that the transcriptions of every card interview can always remain publicly accessible. You are supporting the creation of the videos for every card interview and the documentary, and even a stretch goal of creating an app so this project can be viewable from your phone. With your support, this is more than just one tarot deck. This is a journey in storytelling, elevating voices in the minorities that need to be heard, demonstrating queer spirituality, and allowing others to find themselves in the archetypes of tarot. Thank you so much for supporting the Queer Tarot Project.